Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Expert Coding. So, how are you? I hope we will be good. So, today again I have come with a video how to make this type flower from Python. So, I am Amarjit. Now you are watching Expert Coding. So, how to make this type flower using Python. So, do you want Then watch full video. Don't skip video. So, let's go our desktop screen and open your text editor. Open our PyCharm and first here create a class. So and create a class flower flower flowers dot py and hit enter. First here write code import turtle import turtle, then hit enter. Next import color import color says and hit enter. Then here take turtle t is equal to turtle, then hit enter. Next input a skin, take a skin. There I will take a skin as is equal to turtle dot a skin, turtle dot a screen, and hit enter. Next in take speed. How much speed your pencil, your drawing. So here take t dot speed. I will give here 8. You can give 9, 10, 5, 6. But I give 8. Next, I'll take background color. So here put it background color, BG color. BG color I will take I give black. Black. Next H is equal to 0. Next N is equal to 80 and hit enter. Next here put it for loop. Here using for loop and write for I in range. Sorry, I in range. I in range for loop. Mm, will give here 98 and red colon and hit enter. Next here take color, your flower color, which type color you want to give. Will give RGB. So color RGB H comma 1 comma 1, then hit enter. Next here put it hue. Hue is equal to 1. Hue is equal to 1 by n. 1 by n, then hit enter. Next I will give text color, t dot color, in also here give RGB. So here put it C. Then next left, t dot left I will give 136. You can give 40, 140, 150 and 90. So next t dot fd, I. Next again here take again here using for loop. So write for j in range, here put it 3, then colon and hit enter. So t dot left, 5. Next t dot fd, I into 2, I into 2, then hit enter. Next left, again here take left, 22. So my program is completed. Only 20 line program for flower, design flower. So now I'm going for run this program. So here right click and run flowers. You can see which type flower they are making. Change is very good. So I hope you understood this program. So if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. You can see on desktop screen looking is so good. So thank you friends.